There are many things you expect from your track loader: ruggedness, versatility, and even comfort, to name a few. So we set out to build a track loader that is more rugged, more versatile, and more comfortable. We put our focus here on the undercarriage. The result? A completely new 5-link torsion suspension undercarriage. You'll notice, at first glance, the design is much more open. Let's start with the hydraulic track tensioning system. It maintains proper track tension automatically and minimizes the chance of loosening or detracking. The front roller and idler mounts are cast, which eliminates welds and distributes stress across one seamless piece. It puts additional metal and strength precisely where it's needed most. The torsion axles significantly change the undercarriage design. The axles work independently to dampen vibration and provide a smoother ride without sacrificing performance. But the biggest change is this additional link, which stabilizes the system. It acts like an independent suspension, increasing ride comfort and greatly reducing the rocking effect that's typically associated with other track torsion suspensions. The new drive motor is larger, stronger, and more reliable, with continuous lubrication to the outer bearing. The outer cavity reservoir is simple to maintain. These two ports allow you to flush and fill quickly and easily. The rear idler is now 20% larger and is positioned further back to allow for increased downward force to the bucket or attachment. Overall, this undercarriage is more rugged, more versatile, and more comfortable than ever before. Grading is a job that requires precision. So the more proficient the loader is, the better the results will be. The larger rear idler helps increase downforce to the cutting edge and provides optimal contact with the track, which maintains tension and protects against detracking. Torsion suspension combined with an additional 5th link on the rear axle keeps the undercarriage from bouncing. Without the 5th link, a track loader with torsion suspension can rock and be less efficient at grading. That stability is also great for loading trucks. Other track loaders struggle at lifting weights high above the cab. The sure-footedness of the 5-link torsion suspension undercarriage provides additional stability when the weight shifts as the material is being dumped. The highest lifting loader on the market has even more lifting capacity, enabling operators to tackle bigger jobs and increase their productivity with every lift cycle. Comfort has also been improved because the design absorbs and reduces the natural vibrations that come from rough ground. With the additional pivot point, we've improved the ride quality. The result is reduced wear and tear and improved component life throughout the machine. Inside the cab, you'll notice a quieter ride. It floats and it's smooth. The sound has been naturally dampened and vibrations have been reduced. Serviceability is much easier than before. The open design has more room between the carriage and track for easier cleanout due to the hydraulic track tension cylinder mounted horizontally. Easy access to the drive motor makes flushing and filling the reservoir fast. You'll be on your way in minutes. You also won't have to manually adjust the track tension with a grease gun because it's done automatically. Another uptime advantage. And for added protection, the hydraulic hoses are carefully routed and protected inside the undercarriage. The new Bobcat undercarriage on the T870 gives you the stability and comfort you've been looking for. Whatever your application, you'll notice a huge difference in the smoother ride and unmatched performance of the 5-link torsion suspension undercarriage.